It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're conveniently located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2016 Chevrolet Suburban LS. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of this 9-passenger SUV. Our passenger door has power door locks, power windows, power folding side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel, you'll find some lighting controls and dials, including automatic headlamps, auto 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive, the integrated trailer brake controller, traction control, and park assist. All-weather floor mats can be found on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, and a cloth interior. That center console opens up into an additional seat. Next, I'll hop in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side having our cruise control buttons, and to the right are the audio and Bluetooth controls. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Overhead are some interior light buttons and a place to store your sunglasses. OnStar in the rear view mirror. This is Chevrolet's infotainment center. This touch screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It has our audio and Bluetooth controls, and it also doubles as our backup camera. Hard buttons for the infotainment screen are just down below. By pushing this button here, we raise that infotainment screen to reveal a storage compartment with a USB plug-in. CD player down below, tri-zone climate control buttons with air conditioning, and cup holders. Under the hood of the Suburban is a 5.3-liter V8 engine, 18-inch alloy wheels, body-colored door handles and mirror caps, rear-tinted windows, keyless entry, remote start, roof rails up top, running boards down below, LS hard badging down the side. Making our way toward the back here, I'll open up the lift gate by pulling the release on the handle. The trunk has plenty of cargo storage space, the tethers to fold the third row seats down, cargo hooks, and a power plug-in. So come take a look at the 2016 Chevrolet Suburban LS, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.